Welcome to Channel 1, and this is the drawing series. Today is a special episode because we're preparing Dutch lasagna. It's not something to eat, but something for the eyes. What do we need for this recipe? Here are our ingredients. I'll be needing crocus, daffodils or narcissus, and tulips. We're not going to cook these bulbs, but we are planting them to make a beautiful display that runs or that lasts for a long period. The reason why it's called lasagna because they will be planted in layers, just like layering the pasta when we prepare lasagna. That's how it got its name. The first layer would be, the first flower would be the crocus. This crocus flower around January. And then the next layer under the crocus would be the narcissus or the daffodils. This flowers around, or this flower I should say, the daffodils come around February to March. And then later in April come the tulips. So that's why they're layered, to assure us that for 3 months or so we have a continuous display of flowers. That's how it got its name. So let's go out and prepare this lasagna. Welcome to my balcony, and these are my flowers or plants which are no longer good. My harvest from yesterday, the dahlias from the garden, and the ferns, yeah, and more. But we'll prepare the lasagna now. I have here compass, which I bought yesterday to the tune of €4. 40 kilos of ground, €4. So let's put an adequate depth of soil into this pot. The concept is the depth should be 5 times the height of the bulb. 5 times. So I think more would be good. And let's put the tulips. The height would be 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that would be good. And it's okay to just crowd them. Crowd the tulips together. The more crowded the arrangement, later the better. And today, or not today, but this month, it's October, it's the perfect time to plant tulips. Because tulips need to chill. This is the reason why they don't grow in the tropics. They need the cold period, they need the winter to chill. Just like apples and pears, they need to chill. Or to be dormant during the winter. Now next, let's put the next layer of compost. Of course, when we plant the top should be up. Yeah, that was a mistake. There you go. That's the first layer, or the bottommost layer of our Dutch lasagna. More. Yeah. We put the daffodils next. The daffodils or narcissus. Yeah. Some people ask me, or it's a wonder. It's didn't ask. Yes, someone from Manila asked me. I think it's Miriam. Can we grow tulips in Manila or in the Philippines. Yes, they grow them in Baguio. But can we grow them in Manila? Theoretically, yes. I've read several documentations, and it's possible. Simulate the winter by wrapping your tulips in newspaper and put them around November, October to November in the fridge. Not in the freezer, in the fridge with the eggs. And then come January, bring them out and plant them and keep them just indoors. Try it. I'm curious. There have been documented successes in California. And we put the next layer of our lasagna. By the way, don't forget our other channel. It's Mi Barrio Mi Mundo. It's intended for travels and for places and events. Channel 1 is intended for growing and cooking. Mainly cooking. Mainly cooking. Yeah. And then we'll just spread this. The crocus. Look how beautiful the flowers are. This will comprise the topmost layer. I'll just cover it with ground, and we expect a beautiful display come January. So they're good. We'll just water it and wish our bulbs luck. And that is our Dutch lasagna. We'll be checking this out regularly in our upcoming videos. Thank you for joining your Kuya today. Our special recipe, Dutch lasagna. Not for our palate, but for our eyes. It's for the eyes only. Until next time in our food cooking main features of this channel. Thank you. My cameraman is concerned that they might be damaged by the frost. They need it. They really need to chill.